I try to encompass all possible questions I made to, but right now, please unmute your mic. Please unmute your mic. Please unmute your mic.
Now,
Please unmute.
can you hear me?
Yeah, very clear, very clear.
Thank you very much, Sir Amar and Hassan Bhai, and then all the participants who are here. I really welcome you all, and especially in this era, I'm thankful to the technology, and I must appreciate the feelings of all the nationalists and those who want to do something for the nation, for the people, to make the better future for our nation. So thank you very much for this. Using this technology, I must ahead, and I will try to conclude just what I learned today. I'm not a technology master, but I must say one thing that I believe in, that if you want to move forward, you should think about to use the technology. And as Sir Amar said, time and technology never stop, they move on. And in the coming era, we know no one can live without the proper use of technology. So while today's discussion, what I have learned is this, that we must know what is the real digital system. And in the coming era, if we want to achieve the SDGs targets for 2025, which we have to, all the government is on this point, that if we don't achieve 2025 SDGs goal, we will go far behind. So I need support from the panel like we have today here to resolve all the matters. Now here, while talking about the big data and the use of IoT, when we are talking about, yes, we need artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence become a real need of today. As Mr. Shahid said, that he got an experience of it, that we are not taking right decisions. Yes, my brother, you are very right. And we, the parliamentarians, I personally feel we are responsible for it. That we have spoiled, I must say spoiled, the 72 years of my nation. So at least now we all are at one point, and it's my good luck that I am from a normal family, and I know that what to do and how to speak on the parliament. And while going back, definitely I'll conclude a report on it, that what the people have done in this lockdown era country, and what those who have to do, they didn't do anything. In the last, I must say, as they said, our health data transformation, coding digitally is also needed. What we are in need of it, we all should work on it, how to secure the lives of the people. Thank you. And I must say that all the members are the part of the Digital Pakistan, and I'll request you be the member of Digital Pakistan. And this, the real-time Digital Pakistan, it is not Tania Sania's Pakistan. It is my Pakistan. It is your Pakistan. It is Hassan Bhai's Pakistan. Everybody who really know how to save the Pakistan and the new Pakistan of whosoever he may be the leader, but that would be a real-time digital Pakistan, and we all should contribute for that. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you very much. Excusing the foreigners in local language with the what Senator which has said. मुफ्त की पीते थे मैं और कहते थे कि हाँ, रंग लाए मुफ्त की पीते हैं मैं, एक शायद के साथ बैठे हैं, मुफ्त की पीते हैं मैं और कहते हैं कि हाँ,
नहीं सर,
रंग लाएगी हम,
पीते थे मैं और कहते थे कि हम
रंग लाएगी हमारी बाका. ओके जी,
जरूर लाएगी
इंशाल्लाह. In the end, I must appreciate Rabia. Rabia, you have done a wonderful job by engaging all these people. You know, let me share with you, this was her first time presentation. We must appreciate it. She have done a wonderful job in last 1 week. But I just came to know all these things only this morning. She did everything. Nafees, thank you very much for giving us the technical assistance. I thank you all.